Active Directory is a directory service developed by Microsoft for Windows domain networks. It allows administrators to manage and secure network resources such as user accounts, computers, and other devices. AD uses a hierarchical structure to organize objects into domains, trees, and forests. It provides centralized authentication and authorization, enabling users to log in and access resources based on their permissions. AD also supports group policy for detailed control over user and computer settings, making it a critical tool for enterprise IT management. Resources to learn Active Directory. Microsoft Learn, free tutorials and documentation. YouTube, channels like IT Pro TV and Professor Messer. Udemy, courses such as Active Directory and Group Policy Lab. Books, Active Directory, Designing, Deploying, and Running Active Directory by Brian Desmond. Blogs and forums, sites like TechNet and Spiceworks. Visit the Community tab and test your knowledge by answering the tech questions covered in our videos. Thanks for watching.